If you've ever driven at night with dull, fading headlights, you know how frustrating and even dangerous it can be. Poor visibility doesn't just make driving stressful, it puts your safety at risk. That's why today, we're reviewing the top 5 best D3S HID headlight bulbs that will transform your nighttime driving experience. These bulbs are brighter, clearer, and more reliable, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs best. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and tips on the best car gear and tech. Also, check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these bulbs, and don't forget to drop a comment below, letting me know which of these headlights you'd consider upgrading to. The Osram 6T6340HBI Xenarc is a 35-watt HID xenon bulb with a PK32D5 base and delivers a bright 4600K color temperature that produces a crisp, white light with just a hint of warmth. This pack includes 2 bulbs, making it ideal for full replacements. And because it's built with Osram's OEM quality standards, you're getting a product trusted by top automotive manufacturers worldwide. The bulbs are engineered for consistent output, energy efficiency, and long-lasting performance, making them an excellent upgrade for drivers tired of yellowed or dim stock lights. What makes the Osram Xenarc stand out is its balance between brightness and natural light output. At 4600K, it's bright enough to illuminate dark roads clearly, yet not so white that it strains your eyes during extended night drives. It's best for drivers who want OEM-grade quality and reliable performance without diving into overly cool or blue light temperatures. The Osram bulbs are especially well-suited for luxury cars, or anyone who values that factory-like precision in color and beam pattern. The one shortcoming here is that these bulbs may not appear as strikingly white as 6000K models, but considering their superior reliability and OEM-grade build, they're absolutely worth the investment. The Philips D3S XenStart HID Xenon bulb is a 35-watt OEM replacement with a 4300K color temperature, delivering a warm white output that closely mimics natural daylight. This model is DOT compliant, made in Germany, and built to strict OEM standards, ensuring consistent beam patterns and high durability. The pack includes a single bulb, so you'll need to purchase 2 for a full replacement, but each unit is carefully manufactured to maintain the same high quality found in factory-installed headlights. What makes the Philips XenStart exceptional is its unmatched reputation for reliability and precision. At 4300K, this bulb is designed for drivers who want maximum visibility on the road with a light output that cuts effectively through rain, fog, and snow. It's best for commuters and long-distance drivers who value performance and want an OEM-grade replacement that guarantees consistent results. Philips is a trusted name in the lighting industry, and this bulb lives up to that reputation by delivering dependable brightness and lifespan. The shortcoming is that since it's sold as a single unit, replacing both headlights will cost a bit more. But given Philips's OEM quality and excellent nighttime performance, it remains a worthwhile investment. These Termitor D3S LED bulbs bring modern LED technology to the HID replacement market, delivering an incredible 36,000 lumens of brightness and claiming to be up to 900% brighter than standard bulbs. With a crisp 6500K cool white color temperature, they produce a daylight-like beam that enhances road visibility while giving your vehicle a modern, stylish appearance. These bulbs are CANBUS-ready, which helps prevent common error codes, and they come in a true 1.1 HID size, ensuring easy plug-and-play installation for most vehicles. Each pack includes 2 bulbs, offering full replacement. The standout feature here is sheer brightness. At 36,000 lumens, these bulbs are designed for drivers who want maximum road illumination and a modern white-blue tint that makes their car stand out at night. They're best for those who drive in very dark rural areas, or anyone who wants to upgrade their headlights with LED efficiency and longevity, while still fitting into an HID-compatible housing. The plug-and-play design makes them attractive to DIY enthusiasts looking for an easy installation process. The shortcoming of these Termitor bulbs is that their ultra-high brightness may create more glare compared to standard HID models, but for drivers who prioritize brightness and modern styling, they're an excellent choice. The Marsauto D3S HID bulbs are 35-watt replacements that produce a crisp 6000K cold white light, offering a sharp and stylish beam output. This pack includes 2 bulbs, providing a complete upgrade at once, and the bulbs are designed for easy plug-and-play installation, ensuring compatibility with standard D3S sockets. With a focus on brightness and modern aesthetics, the Marsauto bulbs offer excellent road coverage while enhancing the visual appeal of your vehicle's headlights. What makes the Marsauto bulbs stand out is their combination of affordability and impressive performance. At 6000K, they produce a bright, clean white light with a slight bluish tint that gives vehicles a luxury car look without sacrificing road visibility. They're best for drivers who want a balance of stylish appearance and solid nighttime performance, all at a competitive price point. These bulbs are also appealing for car enthusiasts looking to enhance their headlights without breaking the bank. The shortcoming here is that while they look stylish, their lifespan may not be as long as premium OEM brands, but for the price and performance they deliver, they're definitely worth it. The Torchbeam D3S HID bulbs are 35-watt high-performance replacements that deliver a striking 6000K cool white color temperature for maximum brightness and clarity. Designed to fit standard D3S sockets such as 66340, 42403, and 42302, these bulbs are not compatible with halogen assemblies, but are perfect for HID systems. Each pack includes 2 bulbs, and with plug-and-play installation, they make upgrading your headlights straightforward. Their beam pattern is engineered for wide road coverage and clear focus, ensuring safer nighttime driving. What sets the Torchbeam D3S apart is its ability to combine stylish, cool white light with excellent brightness and a well-defined beam. They're best for drivers who want a high-quality upgrade that delivers both visibility and aesthetics, making them perfect for anyone seeking a modernized look for their car without compromising safety. Torchbeam has become a trusted brand for aftermarket lighting, and this product continues that tradition by offering durability and performance in one package. The only shortcoming is that they may not have the ultra-long lifespan of top OEM brands like Philips or Osram, but for their brightness, clarity, and affordability, they're absolutely worth considering. So, there you have it, the top 5 best D3S HID headlight bulbs that can make your night driving clearer, safer, and far more stylish. Whether you're after OEM reliability, LED-powered brightness, or a modern cool white look, there's something here for every driver. Remember to check out the links in the description for the best deals on these bulbs, because prices can change quickly. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on the latest car tech and lighting upgrades. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which one of these bulbs would you install in your vehicle, and why? Your feedback helps others in the community make better decisions too. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.